Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is my second video of this channel. My name is Juan, by the way, and I'm 16 years old, but I will be 17 in next January. Yeah, in next January. And as you see about my hair, I cut my hair on barber shop like this. It's like buzz cut, maybe, I don't know, but yes, I think. I'm sorry if my camera is blurred, because honestly I don't have a phone. Right now I'm just using my brother's phone, and look at the camera. It's not really good, like it's a little bit, not a little bit, it's blur. Yes, and I only can use this phone because as you know that I don't have a phone to recording myself, so I'm just using my brother's phone. I'm not sure if you can hear me because it's raining. It's raining in outside. It's raining out. It's raining outside. Yes, something like that. So I'm sorry if you a little bit can. I'm sorry if you can hear. So yeah, this is my camera, and I know it's not really good, but I believe that one day I can get like good camera, like not like this. It's really blur, but one day, with the progress, with the patience, I believe that I will get a new phone. So yeah, that's it. I don't know what I can tell. I don't know what I can say more. So maybe that's it. See you on my another video. Bye.